Howdy, I'm Sadie Mae with The Awesome Orange, and today I'll be showing you how I made this DIY awesome guest room snack box. I've recently been making over my guest bedroom, trying to make it a place where guests are comfortable and have everything they need or want, and hopefully won't wake me up too early in the morning looking for water or a snack. So that is where I came up with the snack box idea, just like staying in a hotel, but these goodies are complimentary. So let's get started. To do that, all you are going to need is one 5.5 inch by 72 inch cedar fence picket. If you don't have a table saw, you could use 1x2 pine, but I like the color of cedar and had it on hand, so that is what I used. First step is to cut your pieces, and you can find the complete plans on my website including all dimensions. Next is to find the center of the side pieces. It should be 2 3/4 inches, but there are some inconsistencies in the cedar, so I measured from both sides to find the true center, and then I made a mark 1.5 inches down from the top and drilled the finger holes with a 1-inch Forstner bit. You could put a piece of wood behind it when drilling to prevent tear out, but I wasn't worried about it, so I didn't do it this time. Now that you have all your pieces cut and finger holes drilled, it is time to sand. I highly recommend doing this before assembly, especially when making pieces with slats. That way it's easier to get into all the tight places. Once everything is sanded, it was time for finish. Since I was doing a two-tone finish, doing this before assembly makes it so much easier. In hindsight, I should have clear coated the slats at this time, but I didn't. By the way, I love this ebony stain by Varathane. It was easy to apply, gave a true even coat, and the best part, it dried within 1 hour. So I could definitely make this project in one day and probably within a couple of hours, start to finish. Now assembly time. All you need for this is 1 1/4 inch 18 gauge brad nails and a nail gun. I didn't use glue because I thought it would be overkill on such a small piece and didn't want to worry about glue cleanup. To start, I first attached the bottom slats to the side pieces, starting with the outside ones first, then I eyeballed centering the middle ones. I then added the side bottom slats flush with the bottom outside edge of the piece. Then flipped it over and added the top one. Flipping it over helped make sure everything was lined up and I didn't need clamps. Gravity for the win. Then I again eyeballed centering the middle slat and installed it. And then repeated the process all over on the other side. And lastly, I clear coated the entire piece. This was a tedious process, and again, hindsight, I should have done this before assembly. A total learning experience. Now it was time to load it up with a bunch of goodies. Sweets, chocolate, savory, salty, water. There's a little something in there for everyone. I'm really loving the 2 different tones of wood going on in this room and love how the slats on the snack box match the beds. Speaking of beds, I have plans for these on my website as well. I'll put a link in the description box below. I still have several more things I want to do to make this room complete, but it feels good to check one off the list. If you enjoyed this video and project, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because more DIY projects and building awesome adventures will be coming soon. Have an awesome day!